Choose to rent, advancing events through technology.
In this video, you will learn how to properly assemble the Rokku Surface Go desk stand. Align the Surface Go inside the enclosure's front face, and place the brackets inside to secure the Surface Go into place. The brackets will prevent the Surface Go from sliding out of place. The foam should face towards the tablet PC. Align the mounting plate with the metal stand bracket. Screw in the 4 provided screws carefully. The screws should be tightened until they feel secure. Pass the charging cable and USB hub cable through the square hole on the mounting plate. Connect the charging and USB hub cables to the Surface Go. Slide the faceplate onto the mounting plate. Make sure the Surface Go's camera is facing the square hole. Press the lock in to secure the enclosure. Remove the Surface Go from the Rokku stand by unlocking the faceplate with the provided lock key. Wrap the cable lock around a solid object and pass the lock through the loop. Insert the lock into the small slot on the back of the tablet PC stand. Then lock it with the provided key. Your Rokku Surface Go desk stand is now secure and ready to be used.